Hopdeals.com are authority equipment remarketing specialists, and we are pleased to offer the choice of 7 2013 Mercedes Atego 816 tippers. These 7.5 ton tippers have a Euro 5 engine and manual gearbox. The Lancashire tippers with drop sides and tarmac chutes. We also benefit from an electric 250 kg swing lift. If you'd like further details on any of these vehicles, please contact Hop Deals on 01430 434 800, email us sales@hopdeals.com, or why not check out all the latest stock on our website hopdeals.com.